Today's tutorial is about how to connect joystick sensor to Arduino. The joystick sensor consists of 5 pins. They are ground, plus 5 volt, VRX, VRY and switch. The plus 5 volt and ground is connected to the plus 5 volt and ground pin of Arduino. The VRX, VRY is values of X and values of Y. It's connected to the A0 and A1 analog pins of Arduino. Now we see about the coding section. In coding section, the X values are received by the port A0. So the X values initialized to the port A0. The Y values are received by the port A1. So it is initialized to the port A1. In void setup, the serial communication is begins with the baud rate of 9600. In while loop, the values of X and Y are read and it is printed in the serial monitor. After the code is uploaded to the Arduino, we can able to see the values of X in graphical manner. Using serial plotter, we can able to see the values of X. If we move the sensor upside, the X reaches the maximum value. If we move the sensor downside, X will reach its minimum value.